Dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Miss A. Maria Stella, Assistant Professor, Department of CA. I welcome you all to this semester. So in this semester, students, you have a paper, Web Design using HTML. Already you had studied this in your second year. So it's a continuation of that paper. So I think you will find it easy. So you be watching on my videos and you will be able to understand all your classes. I have given you the first unit syllabus. The first unit syllabus will be discussing about information files creation, what is a web server, what is a web client, and then we'll be discussing about HTML. But in today's session, I am going to discuss about information files creation, that is the client-server interaction. We are going to discuss what's a client, what's a server, and what's the relationship between them, how it is working. So here, as you see in the diagram, the client and server. The client is nothing but the web browser. So only through your web browser, you are contacting your server. Whatever you type in your browser will be sent as a request to the server. The server will process that and it will respond to you. So you can see the arrow mark directions. So the first one, web browser is requesting the web server and the web server is responding to the client. So this is called as the client server interaction. So a web server is a specialized software that responds to client request. Every website requires a web server to process the client request. The web servers will make use of the services provided by the internet, intranets and extranets. Next, you have to know about the important protocol HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So this protocol plays a major role in client-server interaction. So the basic function of the web server is to act as a HTTP server. The web servers communicate with the clients using a response request protocol, that is HTTP. So first we'll see what is a client. So client is a customer or a person who are going to use the services. For example, you are a client. You are going to make use of the services provided by a college as you have come to study. Similarly, everyone who wants to make use of the web server become a client. Next, you must know who is a server. Server is a computer that provides data to other computers. It may serve the data to systems on the local area network or a wide area network over the internet. We have different types of servers. So it may be a web server, it can be a mail server, or it can be a file servers. So what is a web server? A web server is a computer that runs websites. The basic objective of the web server is to store, process, and deliver web pages to the users. This intercommunication is done using HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So here I have listed the examples for servers. Sun Java System Web Server, Apache, Microsoft's IIS, that is Internet Information Services, and then Nginx, Novell's NetWare Server, Google Web Server, IBM family's Domino servers. These are all the famous web servers that are existing in today's world. So in client-server interaction, the client requests the services from the server and the server will respond to that. So it is called as request-response relationship. Okay students, in today's class, I have given you the definition of web server, web client and what is request-response relationships. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the